I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke.
Greetings, everyone. What's going on? It's Cornez with Too Smart to Be Broke. I want to thank you for coming to the channel today. If it's your first time here, I'm going to talk about making money online, generational wealth, business credit, and things of that nature. But I am on the topic of this crypto. I'm going to show you right now what I'm about to do is I'm going to stake for my first crypto MCO card. I'm going to share my screen and go through this process together. Okay. But look, we know what's going on right now. I'm telling you all that when you go out shopping, there's coin shortages. There's places that are only accepting cards. For whatever reason you deem that may be, it's becoming the new normal, and just realize that they're getting us acclimated to seeing this. Okay. For whatever reason, just pay attention to what's going on. All right. All right. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right. Here we go here. So I'm going to go into crypto.com. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this wallet in the middle here. This icon in the middle. I'm going to click on wallet. All right. And you can see the MCO coin. I have over $295 USD, but I have over 71 MCO. Okay, but you can see right here, crypto.com, I have over 59.35 MCO, and I have 12.25 MCO, which is a $50 bonus just for signing up for crypto.com. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unlock this bonus by staking my MCO. What staking is very similar to, like, imagine opening up a CD account at your bank and you put the money in there and you get interest on it. So I'm planning on staking this MCO for a period, I believe, of like 6 months, and just developing interest on it. And I get about 12 MCO, about $50 worth just for doing that. So I'm going to click unlock now. Okay. If you haven't checked out the video where I went over all the cards and how you can get free Spotify, Netflix, and discounts with Airbnb and Expedia and things like that, check out that video. But I'm just going to go for this Ruby Steel card because it's the entry. You have an entry level card you can get for free with not that many benefits. But what I'm going to do is going to stake this card. Okay. So I'm going to click continue. And it says, right here, says after 180 days, you can transfer your tokens back to your wallet, no strings attached. Okay, so there's about 6 months. So purchase and hold for MCO for 6 months. I'm going to click purchase and hold. Okay, and I have 50 MCO, and I'm just going to lock it up. All right, simple as that. Okay, so I'm going to see 50, 180 days. My fee 0.0. All right, so we're going to click confirm. You are staking 50 MCO for 6 months. Tap anywhere to continue. All right. So I'm gonna have to go in here and actually read these terms and conditions. But for this video, I'm gonna click confirm here. So I just got a notification about I can now accept my. Let's see if it pops up here. I just got a notification saying I can accept my $50 of free MCO. So what I'm gonna do now for the name of my card, I'm gonna click confirm. Okay. So it says card issue status is pending. All right, but I do have all of my information in here, I believe, as far as like mailing address and things of that nature. So let me just double check. I'm not going to show this on screen. I just want to make sure for my records that everything in here is accurate and up to date. Well, family, I think it's going to just be a short video. I just wanted to show you the process of going through actually staking the MCO to get the card. And just as a recap, what I'll do, even though I did it in the last video, I just want to show you some of the benefits of this card. Okay, let's go to view details here. So with this card, you can use it as a Visa card. You get 100% back on Spotify. I don't use Spotify often, but if I get this card, I'll probably just get it anyway, just because, you're going to get it pretty much for free. All right. So monthly fee, annual fee, delivery fee is going to be purchase and hold. Those are the requirements. All right, it's going to be a metal card. So that's what's cool about these cards. Remember, like the black metal card, these are going to be like the new thing. So it's going to feel like real boss status when you had this card. But they got a black version. But like I said, check that other video out for everything right there. So I think it's cool to start off with 2% back on everything where you spend the card at. So I don't know, y'all. I think this is going to be really big right now. So I'm going to head stake my card, and let's just take a quick glance, really quick here at I staked, right? It says MCO stake 50 MCO is $206.03. So I want to make a reference to that, and 6 months. But let's keep track of that. So I give you all updates on it as we go along here. So I still have about 21 MCO, about 89 US dollars that I can do something with and transfer that into something else, because I'm actually getting ready to probably exchange this along with some other stuff for some other cryptos I'll be getting into. But just wanted to keep this video short and show you this is how you stake and this is how you get that free $50 with the MCO. Okay, so you have a little bit over 200, you stake it. It's like putting money in the savings or a CD and gaining interest on it. And it's gonna be my first time doing it, so we're gonna check in, you know, monthly or 6 months later to see how this actually does. I'll see y'all next time, family. Peace.
I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke.